You representing Pinky Tunes? Are you pissy this morning?
I'm just trying to get this.
Why? We can get that shit charged when we get there. Don't make it down. If we're late, this is why. This thing right here. Good thing we got the truck back, because we wouldn't have fit that like that in the Honda. Or the other truck.
No.
Oh, the crook. Now we got to clean the inside out. $20,000 worth of mechanical to repair the truck, and they didn't even vacuum it.
Can't believe that.
And they caught it on fire.
Can't believe that.
Can you believe that? What? Can you believe it? Well, what do you think here, Valerie?
I think we are headed to Lil Cochran.
What do they do there?
Dirt oval.
Do they drive cars?
They do. RC cars.
The biggest question of the day. Biggest question. You ready?
I'm ready.
Can I get one? What if he has my little drag car?
We'll have to wait and see.
Never. Can I get a hot rod?
Richie.
Barry.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Who's this?
What are you doing?
We are headed to Lil Cochran.
Huh? Yeah, get good view.
What's up, everybody?
7
We are here at Lil Cochran.
5-2. 6-7. 5-4. Cliff scales. 6-5. 7-6. 6-3.
What's up? What's up?
5-7.
What's up?
6-8. 5-8.
What's up?
4 wine coolers.
That's me.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up?
5-9. 8-5.
All right, y'all. We are here at Lil Cochran RC Speedway.
55
Cochran,
flat.
Georgia. Everybody getting ready for the first series race today.
9-8. 6-9. 7-3. 5-2. 6-5. 6-2. 5-7.
He got at the perfect height of the rail.
5-1. 5-3. 5-3. 6 laps.
Alright.
5-5. 8-9. 7-3. 7-8. 5-7. 7-8. 7-5. 7-5. 5-5. 6-8. 6-1. 8-5. 7-1. 5-4. 6-9. 6-3. 5-8. 7-4. 7-8. 6-5.
Barbara, check in please. And Sean McClure, check in please. Alright, that's it. Let's roll them off. We got Curtis up front, David, Foxy. Ring, ring, ring. David is a 002. Caution and four, caution and four, caution and four, caution and four. Four down, one to go. We got David, Sean, Foxy, Terry, Curtis, Clay, and Ray. Spectacular.
That one gone.
All right, 20 seconds remaining. Keep racing it. Race is complete. David, Sean, Jonathan, and Terry.
Thank you, Dad. Appreciate y'all.
What you got, boy? Don't call the driver. He read that.
That's what Mama gonna say tomorrow. I can't believe you're talking to him.
You about ready, buddy?
It ain't a microphone.
You wanna give her nuts? You give her nuts? Don't you? Valerie, you ain't gonna win no races like that, baby girl.
I give up.
You go back out there and do it. Come on, go. Was you always telling everybody you can't go straight, but now hold your britches, y'all. She's go. Oh, there you go. This is what it's all about. Hopefully having good times with RC and having a beer and hanging out. Yeah. Be careful, there's a golf cart over there. biggest thing is learning your curves.
Uh-huh.
There you go. There you go.
Ah!
There you don't go.
Need some prep.
That car is 100% stock. It came out of the box. It's never even been cleaned.
Get my groove back. Somebody left a chair.
Sorry, Scott.
Huh?
Sorry, Scott.
Good Lord, you and your left turns. You don't supposed to completely turn. Come on, Pullman.
Drive it like a drift car. Think about it like with them tires. I mean, they're not like you wouldn't race with them tires. It was just something we were all out here playing one night, and the guys were out here, so I just opened up the box and took that one out. So think about that as like a drift car. So haul ass down in the corner, then kind of like drifting around.
Come on, boy.
Haul ass back down in the
Get up speed. It's easier, it's faster to go.
what'd you say?
I said it's easier the faster you go. And she got remind me when I was teaching you how to drive a stick shift that time.
That was funny. Maybe I can drive a stick shift now. Sounds like I've been drinking and driving.
Here, you hold this and make it look better.
We're on the edge. Shit. I give it.
Come on, dude.
No, I'm done. Gordon.
I said, you take the freaking seals off the bear. You don't need them no more. New rule.
Ken, calm down. Calm down.
So you need, what do you need though? Do you buy a slash and then what?
If you want to run the 12-turn class, the slash and the mud boss body.
$55 body.
Now, I gotta have something with sharp body though.
Alright, so you
Gotta run a sharp body.
You can do a Super Street car.
Okay.
It's a high center gravity chassis, $199, a sharp body, and a $109 13.5 just stock system.
That's it?
That's it. Tire, well, yeah, tires, wheels, and battery. Go racing. That's it.
What is that about? That's less than $500-600?
Yeah.
Dude, there's probably in this car right here. I bet I've got like $480.
But he wants to run it with a sharp body.
Well, other than the radio, if you already got a radio, you can use a drag radio.
Yeah.
Or the SR10 route.
Yeah, that's just basic stock, and you run it just
But you
straight.
can put a
Dog pound on
You
it.
can put a dog pound, you can put any of Paul's,
10 scale buggy.
yeah, the buggy late model.